My name is Randy Kray. I'm Director of Planning and Programming for HOK Science and Technology. I'm here as part of the team as Platinum sponsors for the program, and very pleased to be part of this really exciting new event that hopefully will grow and become a sort of a major force in the UK and EU sort of lab design. I'm chairing sessions on effective programming and designing for user satisfaction, and as well on performance metrics and designing better performing laboratories. Well, I think what's really very interesting about the notion of designing for satisfaction for users is really the real challenge of developing a laboratory infrastructure that both really satisfies the current users as well as future use of these laboratories, and also sort of satisfies the performance and operational measures that the institution wants to get out of it. There's usually a bit of tension, or at least challenge, in terms of unique research needs, unique sort of equipment and technology requirements of an individual research program, with the sort of understanding and the reality that research changes, that what is being designed for today probably will almost be obsolete by the time it's up and running, and really how do we future-proof these labs so that we have satisfied users and the most effective science sort of from the start through 50 years or so. Well, I think it's a recognition that really there's no given formula anymore for the type of research that's going to be needed to solve any scientific problem, whether it's chemistry or biology or physics or material science. They're all using wet space, dry space, they're using bioinformatics or information systems, and they're using sensitive equipment. So I think we need to recognize that we need to design spaces that really allow for more sensitive equipment. For a change out in use, we really need to design so that furniture and the tertiary systems can change over time with minimal impact to operations and to cost. And clearly we need to design around a varied use pattern that allows for turning things on and off as needed, so that we're not unduly using energy and so forth. And one of the interesting things is we're going to hear a bit of a discussion on the importance of the initial user brief and the importance of establishing the goals, criteria, as well as the performance requirements of the project really at the beginning of it, rather than, if you will, defining it as you go. And that's so critical to the success of a good laboratory project, is really spelling out what are the goals, the objectives, the measurables, and also what are the users expecting for it. If you can really do a good job at the briefing point of the project, you really have a chance for success throughout it all.